Hey guys, Shab here. Welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to be showing you my new mouse. So I just bought it and I haven't unboxed it yet. Of course it is from Razer, as you can see. And yeah, so let's just get into it. So it is a RAZER Naga Trinty. I will go out through the specs, and it is a pretty old mouse, and it released in I think 2017, but it's one of the best mouse of Razer, I think, at least. So it is powered by Razer Chroma, so I can change the colors of LED lights. So let's just unbox it. Okay, so I haven't unboxed it yet. So okay. What is this? Okay, I got some RAZER stickers. Okay, that's cool. For gamers, by gamers. I think this is all the license and stuff like that. Or I'll read it later. Okay. You can read it. I think you can. Yeah, it's focusing. Yeah. So this is the English part. You can read it by pausing the video. So, RAZER Naga Trinty. For gamers, by gamers. Let's just open this. What is this actually? Put it right there. Oh, this is the system requirements, technical support, and stuff like that. How to replace the. Okay, I got it. I'll read it. So, RAZER stickers, very nice. Now, where's the mouse? Oh, okay. So this is the cable, I think. Yeah, this is the cable. It's green. Lol. Okay, so RAZER. I get it. Okay, where is it? There it is. Oh, okay, so it has replaceable plates. I can use any of these with my mouse. So this is the 12 button ones, as you can see, 12. Okay, so how do I replace it? Let's take this off. Am I supposed to take that off? We'll see that later. First I'll have to read through the manual how to replace this, so I'll be back. So I figured out how to replace the plates. As you can see right here, there I replaced it. This was the previous one. I replaced it with this one. So all you have to do is over here, you have to just do it like this. Slip it. We have to put the bottom of the side, pull from the bottom like this, and boom. So yeah, now this one, okay, to put it back you just have to do this, like literally just that. Wow, it's pretty much like a magnet. It is a magnet actually. As you can see, this is the magnet. Boom. So it is really easy to replace and change the plates. Really easy actually. As you can see, so we have for this one we have some gripping over here, the standard gaming one, and for this one we have some grip over here, so we are using it like this. Our thumb is over here. And for this one we do not have any grip. I'm pretty sure we don't need any because this is the grip. Yeah, so it's really lightweight, and I haven't seen the LED lights yet. And I think these are also programmable buttons. I'm not sure. And yeah, so I'll plug this on, but before that I'll show you some of the specs. So okay, so guys, I have downloaded the software. It's done, it's completed. So I, of course, as you can see, wait, let me just take this off. I have changed the colors. I have done this in Chroma Studio by Razer because this is powered by Chroma. So I have changed this to blue, red, green. You can change it to anything. You can put some effects on, but I'm gonna just go on to the quick effects. The quick effects, Audiometer. First we have Audiometer. This depends on the audio. So I'm gonna play Revenge. So it's by Captain Sparkles, but I also made a Roblox version. You can check it out. It basically depends on the audio.
Oh man, so we back in the mine, got our pickaxe swinging from side to side.
You get the point. So let me just turn this off. So you get the point. Oops. Okay, my chair. Okay, so Audiometer is done. Let's go for breathing. So breathing is like the mouse is breathing. It's inhaling and exhaling. You get the point. Reactive only works. It will stay put down. Reactive only works when I click it. Spectrum cycling. It cycles between different colors. Static stays one color still. So I'm gonna put it back onto my advanced settings, which I have done. So as you can see, I can change the brightness and such, but I like it on max. And it's done. Quick effect. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my advanced one. I think I like this one the most because I made it by myself. Okay, so if I just replace this, the color will sync over here also. So right now I'm using this mouse and I like it. And one thing more I figured out, look at this. Every mouse has a button over here, the scroll wheel. This is a button, but if you see those arrows, this is also a button. If I just push it to that side or that side, that's a button. Like literally that's a button. Wow. Okay, so it basically does repeat scroll down. Okay, all of these buttons are programmable. There are up to 19 programmable buttons. If you place this one, play it on 12 over here, 2 over here, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There are around 19 programmable buttons. This mouse is amazing. The performance, I can change the DPI. These are assigned to the sensitivity. Right now it's on 1350. That's what I like. Lighting, I have already shown. Collaborations. So for collaboration, mouse mat collaboration, I do not have one of those expensive wireless or the one with charger mouse or something like that ones. I do not have those, so I cannot collaborate with any of the mouse. So yeah, it's no collaboration. But I'm using my brother's mouse, but mine, I have a better one. Trust me, this is just my brother's. I cannot find my one right now. So right now, if I take a look at this mouse is a pretty good mouse. Trust me. If you have like $100 lying around and you are buying a new mouse, I would prefer this one. Like the customizable plates and all that. It's really durable. I don't think it's gonna break really soon. The lighting is good. The sensitivity is good. The sensor is good. And yeah, If you're going to buy this, I would really prefer it. Go ahead, buy it. Don't hesitate. So if this video gets 50, yeah, I'm gonna go for, if this video gets 50 likes, 50, yeah, 50 likes, or maybe even 35. Yeah, 35 likes are okay. So if this video gets 35 likes, I'm going to be comparing my Logitech G402 with my Ala Shark, the Chinese company one, and this one, and going to find out which one is the best. So stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss out on any other videos. And yeah, I'll see you next one. Goodbye.